So guys, this is lunch. Lunch was not my favorite because they only had chicken left, and I don't really like chicken, so I didn't eat much of the lunch. I only ate the brownie, and I ate a bit of the salad, but the salad was really sad. It wasn't very tasty, so I pretty much only ate my brownie, and that was lunch. So I didn't really like lunch, but the rest was pretty good. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Lulu, and I'm really sorry for not vlogging the last couple of days because we have had a lot of meetings for our schools, and so now I'm back, and today you might see our future house. We don't know yet. This is the house from the outside, and it is a Chinese neighborhood, so everything is Chinese style. The front door was locked, so we had to go through the garage. And the garage is not really big, so a car would not fit in here. This is the dining hall with a big table, and here we are entering the big kitchen. I really like that it's big. And here is outside. It's very big outside, as you can see. It's a huge backyard. I love this. And as you can see, it is fall, so all the leaves are on the ground. And now this would be the master's bedroom, because it is very big. Compared to the kids' room, this is huge because the kid rooms are small. And this is the master's bathroom. And now we are going upstairs to the kids' room. Here we just have the whole overview over the stairs and the lamps. And now we are going to walk in one of the kids' rooms. Or actually the bathroom from, I think, one of the kids' rooms. And here I am looking around. And the floor is really slippery, so I was sliding around. And here is the kids' room for one of us. This one's one of the bigger ones, and then the next one is pretty much really small compared to the other ones, as I told you. And the next thing is the come here right now. You're going to jail. Goodbye. layers of house. That's what I call them. Here's another bathroom. It's not really nice though. And here would probably be one of our rooms, or this could be an office for my dad. But if you didn't know, so you probably didn't because I haven't told you. So this is the second one in this compound, neighborhood, whatever you want to call it. And the other one was renovated. People were still living in here. And so this one is older. And as you can see, not that pretty. But there's a balcony. And this one's also bigger because the other one only had 2 layers of house. And here's another bathroom. And oh wow, this is cool. This would probably be my room if we picked this house. We probably won't because there's a way prettier one. And yeah. So this is nice. I'll put the one under though. Whoa, this balcony is huge, guys. Look at that. Like, I was looking at the other people's balcony, and I thought that's huge. I want that. And there's a bed. Yeah, that's not do that. That's. Whoa, look at that. This is big. That's what I would call a huge bathroom, guys. Something else up here? There's 3. There's another There's a total of 3 balconies up here. So guys, we're back at the hotel right now. And basically, I'm just going to tell you guys what I did today. And basically, yeah. So basically, we first visited a house we didn't visit yesterday. And then we went to school, and all the schools kind of disappointed us until we went to the one today. It was definitely not my favorite, but it was more like my old school. It was the same type, so I definitely liked that more, but it's still not what I would have liked. And so after we visited the school, we visited like this place. It's really cool. That might be one of my favorites, actually. And so if you move into that house, people are currently living there. And so those people are really nice, and they have fish. So the best part is they have fish, and I've always wanted a pet, and I don't have a pet if you didn't know. And so I've always wanted a pet, and like they move out in January, and we would move in January. And so we might get that house. I'm not sure yet, but I really want that house since I really like it, and I just like that house. And my mom does too, and my sister does. Just my dad, he's just like not really into it but then they have fish, and so they would move out, and they wouldn't take their fish with them. So the best thing is we might get the fish, actually. So another thing that we did today, so they have like, they're not taking all their furniture with them. And so we might get some of their furniture, and they have like this really cool desk. It has like little drawers in it. And it's like, this is the desk, and then it has drawers on the top. I'll draw you a picture. And it's really cool. And so I love that desk, and it's theirs. But they're not gonna keep it. So when they're moving, they have the whole house already set up and like full furniture in it. So they don't need any of their furniture. So basically, we're gonna get all their furniture, well, the things we want. I would obviously do like like moving into my new house and not renovating, like putting all the furniture in it and like where I got all the furniture, like I don't know yet. It's just that I'm going to do like a moving in vlog, and that was basically it. And then after that, we just went to visit 2 more houses in that compound. And then they also have a clubhouse, which is really cool, and a gym and a pool. And then we went to this like medical thing where you just filled out stuff. So you could be like, when you you're sick and you need to like go to a doctor. So that's what we did, and it was really boring. Yeah, I did not like that. But now we are back home, and well, at the hotel, not home. I like to be home right now. And we're just like hanging out at the hotel because my dad and me and my sister and my mom, we're going out to dinner with my dad's chef, his boss. And I'm not really excited for that because I ate a lot of gummies in the car when I was hungry from lunch. And so I'm not really hungry now. And then the chef, his boss, is probably going to ask him, like, why aren't you eating anything? I'm like, I'm not hungry. And that was it. And also, if you enjoy my vlogs, make sure to comment down below, do more vlogs, or give me some ideas to do. Crazy one by just subscribe and turn on post notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, and commenting crazy down below. And that's it. So see you next time, guys. Bye.